through me. If you like, you take. If you like, don't take. If you like, you play, you reply me the way they reply others. If you like, you reply me the way they reply others. I don't care. Well, I want to give you this message today. Good evening, Sister Lizzie. I know this message will get to your table. I know the insult person for my message. But I'm here to give you message as the messenger. Sister Lizzie, now papa born you, now mama born you. You get brother, you get sisters. Maybe you get junior ones or you get the ones when senior you. I see yes say you get picking. But for the videos when I don't see say you do, you they educated. Your papa and your mama train you well. They carry you go school. You speak good English. You can read, you can write. You know what is good, you know what is not good. Sister Lizzie. I know say me the message. I know say your papa, your mama, your brothers and sisters, they are not happy about what you are doing. I know say they're not there happy. They're not there happy for what you they do. When you go to the social media, I know they are not happy. Let's be sincere. Let's be sincere. Please share this my video and let this video go viral. Let it go to the table of this my sister. Sister Lizzie, let me talk to you as a brother. Let assuming put me in your shoe, Sister Lizzie. Let assuming say na me be your sister. You call the sister me they do this kind of thing when you they do for social media. Will you be happy with me? Sister Lizzie, listen to my message today. You get pikin, you get papa, you get mama. I remember when I they grow they come. Omoga iwe nyeso awe anyomo no magbe penti na. Because if you want to understand the meaning of my Edo language, tap your Google, Sister Lizzie. Oh, Edo ni meke ware for Benin when me for grow. I will say you not be Edo girl. I not go talk. Sit down, make you reason what you are the reason. So put me in your shoe. I know say your brothers and sisters, they don't try to stop you for this thing when they do. When I you see your video when you take start, I just say you be okwonoria will not marry toto because they get some people when spoil for months, when not spoil for under. I just say you just they make joke, even at they enjoy some of your message. Small time because of the viewers when you they get, because say you they get viewers, because you they get 2,000 viewers. Waiting viewers, the viewers when person they get for social media, they pay. Even though say that they pay, how much they want pay you? When you want to you for social media. Sister Lizzie, listen to my message. After this message, answer me the way they answer other people. Because I love you. Or say message in you supposed to listen to them. You attack everybody when be say that they try to correct you. Not be only you do social media. Social media not be to, we not say this thing don't they go on, but this your all can be the worst. Let assume say that video when they share now, when be say fear not go let person put phone for table because of your children, make them not go see what they want, what they not supposed to see for inside phone. Let assume say na private war you go do that thing as you do am. You still come back to Facebook to announce it for your live video. Give them the link to enter that place say na £50. Because of £50, you want give bad name. You want to give bad name to your family. I remember when I knew enter this social media. when I new start my live video. Members of my family called me. Obimen laho ed yozan giman, ed yozan giman. Ed yozan gek benukere, ed yozan gek biman. Before you do anything, you were not, you not fall from heaven. Now parents, iya niek bebiwe. Ijwe muwe yeko. Uki yoke do biewe. Oya suselelewe. Iya na diewe yesuku una ladian. Una lewebo. Vana emie ewe nuwe kutugi ya fufunu. If you want to understand the meaning of my Edo language, tap your Google. Vana emie ewe nuya ewe nuwe waya fufunu. No tagmo ya. Sister Lizzie, this message is for you. A good name is better than riches. Aviena yigoge, avieno pe amuigoji vebo ni mekere na ti Edo. Oyi wakin, nuwena wa muladian zagba. If you want to understand the meaning of my Edo language, tap my Google. Ogiogeno. Una wa adi enwa ye zero. Na adi ejo. Mete uwe gwene nemi gbedi uwe go ese a. Oh. When we tell why you no tiny, people want to really know you. I went to watch that video. Oh yeah, agbogie. Oh yeah, agbogie. If for not worse like this, people for even respect you more. People for like to know you. Oh. Please, my people. Please, Sister Lizzie. Enough is enough. Please. As I talked before, I know say your parents don't talk to you. You say now your life. It's not what partner life you were. Not be only you get your life. We were there Europe. If we do some kind of things at times, we go to remember our family because of our family for us. Yes. At least enough is enough, Sister Lizzie. Enough is enough, Sister Lizzie. This is my message from the messenger. Don't because of what I tell you, at least in the sake of your picking, sake of your family, sake of your friends around you. How you feel say your picking they feel? Say mama go they do all those kind of things. Blue film. When social media can carry and you are even proud of it. I go to school. I wish no we the whole world. Please. I'm here with no man pakpalo. If you want to understand the meaning of that Edo, tap your Google. No more kinwe, no banana. Everybody knows say that thing that they do. You don't see where papa and mama don't born. Don't come tell their picking say and tell they put one for size 0. No. It gets stage when you go grow, you should go mature rich. Now you want to teach? Before you were born, before I can be well, before you can be well, I shall go existing. Not be you want to teach the whole world how to put one for 0. Not be you. You are damaging yourself. See the 1 and 0 when you do. Gaba wa we ashawo be no, umabe lo aba. Una wa upper direct. Oh, Sister Lizzie. Which kind of viewers you define? I know say you get viewers well. At least make them happy. Don't be to corrupt them more. Don't be to correct them more. Give them message. When go give them money. Teach them how to make money. Not be hard to declare ye. Sister Lizzie, please. Oko. No nous ya debama goba dole doji. I dole bo ema igwalo. Ena omu bieka ni diria. This is my message from the messenger. Thank you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Yes, if you get anywhere when the if you know say you be lazy followers, this message it affects you or it offend you, my brother, make you filter the good ones, make you take advice my sister for me. Filter. Man ya never yakpo bolele. Okay, kinya mama. Yes. I know say you get followers now. Many of them they clap follow you. Many of them they say don't mind them. Many of them they tell you say now your life. Why they no carry their own comments? If you want to understand the meaning of a war, you go tap your gogo. You think rain. If you want to understand the meaning of my Edo, tap your Google. This is my message. Please, my sister Lizzie, you can still amend. You can still turn back. You can still make your people happy without discuss ekiabuhe. Yes. Not be by doing those things people will know you. You can still change. Make I tell you, the man when they take show Jesus Christ, when they take do that thing that year, that man was a drunkard. Nothing saying I read Jesus Christ they use for them. No. The man was a drunkard. Everybody know for the city saying a drunkard. You know the bad BS. Egbetu. If you want to understand the meaning of Egbetu, you tap your gogo. You know the bad BS. They don't look for the person when they want to play that role. They don't see. Now they tell remember, say one man like this day. The man go school, he was educated. Because of some problem, they will go hit person. Some people, you get some people when they be say that they streets today. Now, too much of thinkness. Now they cause many ones. You can't say they can't remain drunker. That's waiting their experience. They don't feel fight on. You get what you about they call on. You can't be like say that now they take carry drama. Say this man the best they okay and he go school, he go fit play this role. They clean him up. Teach him everything about Jesus Christ. Say, see the role when you want to play. The man plays. After that film, that man remain a saint. Only wa already know when he acts like Jesus Christ, he can't be sent. He can't behave as Jesus Christ they behave. Why they give this parable to you? At least you can still change. Don't because of your past make you can't spoil your present. No. Don't do so. Don't do so. Don't because of viewers. May I give message? Even though saying I want viewer, they look me, I'll give my message. If the message makes sense, then go still share it. Yes, this is my message. Thank you very much. My viewers all over the world. I say my message not too long today. Not go too long. Yes. Thank you.